Welcome to Spanish 11. So this is the course home page right here. If you scroll down, you'll see that it is broken up into 4 modules. So here's the course plan in the beginning with the course outline. It tells you a little bit about icons, what is the module, how we evaluate. If we look over here, Spanish 11 is broken up into 4 modules. So module 1, module 2, so on and so forth. Okay, at the end of every module there is a unit test. So the modules are built so that you can learn the material by doing self-marking activities. So let's click into one here. Self-marking activity 1A. The self-marking activities are not worth marks. So they are just for you, for practice, to help you succeed in the course. It's worth your time to do them, even though they are not officially worth marks. Okay, so it gives you a reference to the textbook pages. So the activities that are worth marks, your assignments, make up 45% of your total course mark in Spanish. So for example, this one, Módulo 1, Sección 1, Hand-in 1, writing, it's worth 10 marks. So if we click into this one, you can refer to textbook page 5. So if you did the practice activity, the self-marking activity, that will assist you with this hand-in activity now. So you're supposed to read the questions carefully and answer as is guided by the page here. Okay, and then here again it shows total marks out of 10. So something very important to know for Spanish. To be successful in the course, it really helps to use the section review. Okay, there's a section review for every module and it's listed just before the module test. If you click into the section review, it has three parts: the overview, the review, and the review answer key. The Spanish test is modeled very similarly to the section review. So let's take a look at this one. For Module 1, Test Overview, it goes over the vocabulary that you should know, listing the page numbers. It tells you the verbs that you need to know and how to conjugate them so that you can review that. Okay. Here we are again in the yo, tú, ella, usted, nosotros, and ustedes form. It tells you what you need to know to write a paragraph. So in Spanish 11, it's a little harder than Spanish 10. You will have to do a paragraph writing in your module exam. Okay, so if we look, so that was the overview. If we look at the review here, again, the test is modeled very similarly to the review. So you can print out these pages, fill them in, and then go back to the answer key, and you'll have all the correct answers, okay, to practice. So for example, here you're reviewing the reflexive verbs, and it gives you all the answers in bold. So to be successful in Spanish 11, the best thing you can do is work through all the activities, taking time with your self-marking activities and with your assignments, oral evaluations, and module tests. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact the teacher.